In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana for social media management, walking you through setting up a streamlined process to keep all your posts organized and on schedule. First, we're going to create a dedicated project in Asana for your social media content. Begin by clicking on plus new project, then decide whether to start with a blank project or opt for a content calendar template, both of which offer a great foundation. For the purpose of our tutorial, let's name it Social Media Content Calendar. Choosing the right structure is key, so consider picking calendar view or board view, providing you with the best visibility for your tasks. This project will become your command center for all social media posts, ensuring that everything is in one convenient place. Let's transition to structuring your project by organizing it into sections or columns depending on the view you choose. Use sections if you're in list view or columns if you're in board view for platforms like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok, and YouTube. You can also organize by campaigns. Think of labels like product launch or holiday campaign. Having this layout helps in categorizing tasks and makes it easy for you or your team to find exactly what you're looking for at a glance. Now let's add content tasks where each task represents one social media post. Title your task appropriately, for instance, Instagram Reel, How to Use Asana for Teams. In the description area of each task, provide all necessary details, including caption copy, relevant hashtags, image or video links, and any notes for designers or editors. This level of detail ensures everyone involved has exactly what they need to execute the post without endless back and forth. Once your tasks are added, the next step is to assign and schedule these posts. Assign the tasks to team members such as content creators, designers, or editors, and make sure to set due dates for drafts, approvals, and the final publishing. Viewing your tasks in calendar view will allow you to see all posts neatly lined up by their respective dates, helping you oversee everything over time effectively. Breaking down each task with subtasks can further help streamline your workflow. Allocate subtasks such as drafting the caption, designing graphics or videos, content review, and scheduling the post. Doing this clarifies everyone's responsibilities and keeps accountability straightforward and clear. Consider automating certain repetitive tasks using rules. For instance, you could set a rule where moving a task to ready to publish automatically assigns it to the scheduler or sends out a reminder on the task's due date. Automation reduces manual reminders, letting you focus more on creating versus coordinating. Finally, incorporate custom fields to track post type, status, and engagement metrics like likes, comments, and shares. These fields, once filled, allow you to export reports and analyze the performance of your posts across different platforms, giving you insights into what works best. With these tools and strategies, Asana can become a powerful ally in your social media management toolkit.